how to use Microsoft Copilot in your PowerPoint. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and in this video I'm going to simply show you that how you can use Copilot to your PowerPoint. Open the PowerPoint in front of you on your PC, and this is my PowerPoint's home screen. What I have to do is click on right top, that is add on option. Here on the first you can see there is an application called ChatGPT for PowerPoint. You simply have to click on the search bar and search for Copilot for your PowerPoint. You simply have to click on the add option, and yes, you can see the Copilot is now added to my account. I can click on the get started button to get started with it and ask question with it. Before using it, you have to sign in using your Microsoft email ID and your Microsoft account password. After you access it to your PowerPoint presentation, then it will start working for you. Enter any text or simply enter any image creation prompt, and then you can copy it and paste it to your PowerPoint presentation. This is all about how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and please hit the bell icon to receive and keep receiving more updates like this.